Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing my glowy skincare routine. It is very simple and very effective. So I just wanted to show you guys. The very first thing I will do is to wet my face. You guys, there's water here already. Is to wet my face. I use Lara Roche Posay. This I started using this December, and the one thing I noticed about this product is it helped to reduce the amount of oily on my face, and it says purifying foam gel cleanser for oily skin. So this is definitely good for oily skin, and I love this product. So I'm just going to take like small pop, like 3, and then I love the fact that it foams very well. So I'm definitely going to give this like a 9/10. Since December that I started using it, I saw a lot of difference on my face. So guys, let me go and wash off and I'll be back. I just finished washing off the cleanser from my face, and already you're seeing that dewy kind of, Anyway, I'm just going to wait for my face to dry up. If you've been watching my skincare routine videos, I don't use anything on my face. I'm just going to wait for it to dry up, then I'll go to the next thing. The next thing I'm going to be using is my Simple Satin Facial Toner. This is a very simple and effective toner that I use. When I mean effective, not like it does anything very spectacular on my skin, but it's a go-to. Like, it's really very nice, and it has no alcohol. So I just take like few drops and that's it. The next thing after that is this Time Vitamin B Mix Toner. This is actually not everyday thing. I use it like once or twice every week because it really lightens up very quickly. But I love the fact that it has niacinamide in it, and I'm a fan of what niacinamide. So I'm just going to spray a little on my face. After that, I will be going in with my Advanced Nemosin. You guys already know that I'm a fan of this as well. Like, I'm just going to take like a 3 pump. You need to apply this Nemosin on a damp face. It works better. You don't have to apply it like on a dry face, like my last 2 videos where I spoke about this Nemosin, and I saw some comments saying they react to this particular brand, and it's very weird to me because I mean, like, everybody's skin is different, but mine, I really don't have any reaction. I think if you do it in the right way, you might actually not have that reaction, or maybe skins are different. Anyway, this is what I do next. I'm just going to allow the Nemosin to absorb. Like you see, it's already kind of absorbed into my skin. And the next thing I'm going to use is this Balance Active formula. See, I'm actually not a fan of vitamin C. Like, I know people preach so much about it, and I tried so many vitamin C and I did not like any. I felt like there was no need in my routine. But you see, this particular one, this is since last year November I've been using this particular brand, and man, this is giving, and it glows the skin. So I just going to put like few drops, 1, 2, and then 3. That's it, guys. That's it, not too much. The next thing I'm going to go in with is Yaba Matte Wake Up Eye Gel. This is absolutely nice, and it's from Good Molecules. I've been using it for like 2 years now. It's like my go-to. Like, I really love it. So I'm just going to take like its small pea size and then share with my other, kind of rub it in. The next thing I'll be going in is Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Just like the name implies, light. Is very light. It's very I just take like few drops, and then you guys, this is actually very light, and then when you're rubbing it on your face, it just feels like you're just putting water on your face. I hardly hear a negative comment about this brand, to be honest. So I love the brand. And I'm gonna finish up with my Skin Aqua. You guys already know that all of this skincare is useless if I don't seal up with this Skin Aqua to kind of protect my skin from the sun. Am I the only one that don't really use the formula of just putting the 3 things on my palm? I already know what I think I need, so all I do is just kind of, rub the good, like a very good amount, and that's it. One thing I love about this skin aqua, it's easily absorbed into the skin. It gives like this nice shining glowy finishing. That's the reason why I really love it. Like, I've tried some other brand, but this is still my number one. I have another one here that I use. It's called the Ultra Wrists or whatever. I'm just going to be writing it on the screen. I got this one because I don't want to be going out without, sunscreen, and this one will require me washing my hand and all of that. So all I do with this is just to spray. But this first, then when I go out, I use this. I mean, I wouldn't finish my skincare without using St. John's lip gloss. Like, my sister owns a lip gloss brand, and I'm a fan, number one fan. So I just finish up with my lip gloss. La la, holla. So you guys, this is basically my simple skincare routine, and these products are very effective. I mean, this particular one makes your skin glow, this one as well makes your skin glow. So I mean, it's a go-to for me, and I really love my morning skincare routine. Just wanted to share, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down to let me know what your skincare routine looks like, and thank you all. We'll see you in my next video.